Today, I'll show you how to open a Calendly account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new account set up and ready to start scheduling meetings without all the back and forth emails. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top of your screen, type in calendly.com and press enter. This will take you to Calendly's homepage where you can create your account. Once the Calendly website loads, look for the button that says Get Started. This is usually prominent on the homepage, often near the center or top right area of the screen. Go ahead and click Get Started. This tells Calendly you want to create a new account rather than sign into an existing one. After clicking Get Started, you'll be taken to a sign up screen. Here, Calendly gives you a few different ways to set up your account. You'll see options like sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. These options are designed to make things easier by connecting Calendly directly to your existing calendar. If you already use Google Calendar with a Gmail or Google Workspace account, click Sign up with Google. A new window may pop up asking you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Select the account you want, then follow the prompts to give Calendly permission to access your calendar. This connection allows Calendly to automatically check when you're free or busy, so it only shows available time slots to people booking with you. If you use Outlook, Office 365, or another Microsoft-based calendar, you can instead click Sign up with Microsoft. Just like with Google, you'll be asked to sign into your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Then confirm the permissions so Calendly can read your calendar and keep your availability up to date. Connecting your calendar during sign up is strongly recommended. It saves time later and helps prevent double booking. Once you've selected either Google or Microsoft and completed the connection, Calendly will ask you to choose your unique Calendly link. This is the URL you'll share with others when you want them to book time with you. It will look something like calendly.com/xa followed by a word or phrase you choose. In the field provided, type a simple professional name for your Calendly URL. Many people use their first and last name or a variation that's easy to remember and easy to spell. Avoid using personal details like phone numbers or anything that might be hard to share out loud. Calendly will let you know if the name you want is already taken, so you might need to try a couple of variations until you find one that's available. And when you're happy with your custom link, click Continue. This confirms your choice and completes the basic account setup. From here, Calendly will guide you through additional setup steps like choosing your time zone and creating your first event type, but at this point, your Calendly account is officially open and ready to use.